After prioritizing the work items in the queue, now, let's see how an agent would be automatically assigned to an work item. The automatic assignment is one of the most powerful capabilities in unified routing. One of the most common customer pain points is waiting for a long time to reach an agent only to find out that the agent is unable to solve their issue. Then they are transferred to a different agent. So, a precise automated assignment directly impacts the KPIs like first call resolution, customer satisfaction, and agent satisfaction. This automatic assignment, or automatic call distribution aspect of the routing, removes the need for a constant queue supervision. The service would decide who is the best available agent to take up the incoming work. Unified routing evaluates the static characteristics of the workforce, such as skills, working hours, etc., as well as the dynamic characteristics, like real-time capacity, presence, etc., to assign incoming service requests to the best-suited agent. It achieves this goal by matching the aspects of the incoming work, like answers to pre-chat questions, virtual agent interactions, customer journey context, or required skills, to the attributes of the agents, like their skills, proficiency, or location. In the previous demos, you have already seen how the work item from a customer is augmented with customer context from bots and IVR responses, and thereafter classified using ML models or logical rules. Now, it is the time to take this information and find the best agent. The best agent requirement is expressed in terms of assignment rules. In unified routing, you can go ahead and author multiple assignment rules, which will be executed one after another if needed. As shown in the chart, logically, when the system is trying to find the best agent, 3 results are possible. Only one agent matches all the criteria. In this case, the work will be assigned to that agent. If the match results in multiple matches, then those agents are ranked against one another. You can order them based on the capacity available, agent proficiency, experience, or simply in a round-robin fashion. The third possibility is that no agents are found matching the criteria. Here unified routing provides an option to relax the criteria, or constraints. We call this as a gradual relaxation of constraints. Effectively, the next matching assignment rule will be evaluated and the process will be followed all over. Finally, what happens if the agent rejects the work or is not available to take the work? The system understands this and tries to reassign the work on its own. This automatic assignment is supplemented by supervisor intervention. If supervisor want to interfere and assign some important work to a particular agent, they can always do so. The unified routing will learn about this decision and act accordingly for the next assignment. Let us look at the key nuances of the automatic assignment. The first one is the customer context matching. All the data that the system learns, like IVR responses, customer sentiment, effort, customers' preferred language, everything, can be used as a criteria to find the best agent. The next key capability is skill matching and proficiency ranking. During the classification, skills needed to complete the work can be identified using rules or ML models. You can perform exact skill match on the agents. Or, you can find the agent with the maximum number of skills needed to complete the work. You can also sort the matching agents by their proficiency scores in ascending or descending order. Skills-based routing is a key aspect of unified routing. Having said that, automatic assignment is much more than just matching skills. You can also use the agent's real-time availability and capacity for making the assignment decision. This availability is a cross-channel or unified availability. It allows you to balance the agent workload and ensure that phone calls or live chats are being assigned to agents who are actually available to work on them. Using calendars, you can assign work to people as per their shifts and respect their vacation and breaks. Often, customers customize their case definitions or create custom records or tasks. They create custom IVR flows and bot dialogues. They also have custom attributes for agents, like their tenure, their department, etc. Unified routing is a metadata-driven engine and will allow you to author, matching and ordering rules, even on your custom rules. This is not a monolithic, pre-configured and opaque system, but in fact a truly flexible solution, which you can use as per your business needs. Automatic assignment at the core is achieved using rules. But to get you quickly started, we do provide 2 default assignment methods, which wraps standardized assignment logic and can be enabled by a single click. The first one is highest capacity method, where we do a skill and availability matching of agents, and then assign the work to the agent with the maximum available capacity. The second is round robin, where we again look for the agents with matching skill set and who is available to take work, and then assign the work to them in a round-robin fashion. Of course, you can go ahead and create your custom rules with your own matching and ordering logic. Which brings us to an important aspect, that is agent ordering, or ranking. In case there are multiple agents with the required skills or matching criteria, the system needs to decide which agent to assign the work to. Agent ordering helps find the top agent amongst the matching ones. Highest capacity and round robin are nothing but 2 ordering criteria behind the scenes. But you can author your custom ordering criteria like proficiencies, seniority, or any custom attributes. One of the challenges in matching is that you have to author a lot of if and else conditions to cover multiple permutations. Dynamic rules allows you metadata level matching. Using this power, you can directly match one attribute on the agent to an attribute on the work. For example, here that the agent's country is being matched to country of the customer who has started this conversation. Customers want to find the best agent who matches exact criteria like all skills, location, presence, capacity, shift, and so on. But it is not always possible to find the agent who matches all these. Then they want to relax one of these criteria and then find the next best agent, and so on. This, we call as bullseye routing. In this approach, the assignment rule at the top of the order is evaluated first. The agents are matched as per the condition specified. If no agents are matched, then the next assignment rule in the rule set is evaluated and goes on till an agent is found. This can be thought of as gradual relaxation of constraints in the assignment, such that first the strictest criteria are applied, and then the conditions are slowly reduced so that the best agent is found. Let's understand it with an example. For example, an organization has a desire to assign the work to the agent who speaks the customer's language and is in the same region as the customer. But in case no one is available in the region, only then, they want to assign the work to an agent who at least speaks the same language, thereby relaxing the region constraint. Here Alice speaks French and English and is in North America. Carlos speaks Spanish and is in South America. Virginie speaks French and is in Europe. And David speaks Spanish and English and is in Asia. Let us say Mary, a customer from North America, who speaks French, calls. She is connected with Alice, who is available, speaks French and is in the same region. A few minutes later, Juan calls from North America and he speaks Spanish. Technically the best agent for Juan is Alice, as she is from North America and does speak Spanish. But she is busy. So, the system relaxes the region criteria and looks for the next agent who speaks Spanish, in this case Carlos. Let's see how you would configure a custom assignment method in your environment. Go to the Advanced Queues section and select the required queue. In this scenario, it is Demo Assignment Queue. In the Assignment Methods section, click on See More. Now click on Create New and enter the name and description for the new custom assignment method. Now, create an assignment rule set by entering the details. Then, create assignment rules within it. Here I'm creating an assignment rule to select an agent who matches all the skills required and is also from the same region as the customer. Please observe that I'm using the Dynamics Match capability of unified routing to match agent's country with the country of the customer. And I would be assigning the conversation to any of the matched agents in a round-robin fashion. Once you click on Create, the custom assignment rule is created. And that's how you create a custom assignment method in unified routing. Now, let's talk about an advanced assignment feature called Preferred Agent Routing. Customers want to connect to agents who understand their needs. They feel more comfortable talking to an agent who has served them in the past, knows about their issues, and can resolve them quickly. Agents want to serve their customers, meet service level agreements, SLAs, and receive high satisfaction ratings. The key to achieving all these goals is a good relationship between agents and customers. Preferred agent routing in unified routing can help build those relationships. With the preferred agent routing feature, organizations can offer relationship management to their customers. Once set up, the unified routing system will connect the customers to their corresponding preferred agents, thus ensuring a delightful service experience. With this, we conclude our session on automated assignment in unified routing. Thank you for listening.